What's this doohickey for? And what does this gizmo do? Thingamajigs, whatchamacallits, thingies. All of these words refer to things that you don't know the name for. We call them placeholder names. A placeholder name holds the place of the object or the thingy that you don't know the name for. And they're super useful when you're living abroad and you can't find the object that you need. This video is going to talk about placeholder names and using to and for to describe how to use an object. Let's get started. You know that thingy that you use to hold pieces of paper together? That you use to hold pieces of paper together. What's it called? Are you talking about a paperclip? A paperclip is to hold a few pieces of paper together. Or maybe you mean a binder clip. A binder clip is for holding more pieces of paper together. To hold, for holding. What about that thingamajig for removing the cork from a wine bottle? A bottle opener. I need a thingamajig to connect my clothes to a line so that they can dry. Where do I get one of those thingamajigs? Clothespin? Clothespin. Let's go on. I don't have one of those whatchamacallit. Whatchamacallit comes from what do you call it? But we removed some sounds, we put in other ones, and we came up with whatchamacallit. So, how do you call those whatchamacallits for charging your electronic gizmos? Power adapters or plugs? You plug it into an electrical outlet. And what do you call those stretchy or elastic thingies that you use for everything? A rubber band, thingamabobs, whatchamacallits, gadgets, gizmos. These are all placeholder names and they can be used to describe an object that you don't know the name for. And remember, to do something or for doing something. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope this helped, and please subscribe below for more videos like this one. Thumbtacks, safety pins, paper clips,